today we're going to learn the difference between this, that, this, and those using water bottles. This is a water bottle. We use this when we're talking about one thing that is near to us. This is a water bottle. That is a water bottle. We use that when we are talking about one thing that is far from us. That is a water bottle. These are water bottles. We use these when we are talking about more than one thing that is near to us. These are water bottles. Those are water bottles. We use those when we are talking about more than one thing that is far from us. Those are water bottles. That's the difference between this, that, this, and those. Just remember, this, one thing near, that, one thing far, this, more than one thing near, and those, more than one thing far. Thanks for watching!